If you've been holding off on buying a new drone because you're waiting for DJI's next big release, you're definitely not alone. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro has become one of the most talked about drones among creators, travelers, and aerial photographers. While DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro or confirmed its final specifications, industry reports, supply chain rumors, and DJI's product history have given us a good idea of what could be coming. Some of these rumored upgrades have the potential to make this the biggest leap in the Mini series yet. But which leaks actually make sense and which ones are probably just wishful thinking? Stay with me until the end, because one rumored feature could completely change how people think about compact drones. DJI has consistently dominated the lightweight drone market by delivering professional features in an incredibly portable package. The Mini lineup has become popular because it offers impressive camera quality while remaining compact enough for travel and, in many countries, easier to fly under local regulations. That balance between portability and performance is exactly why expectations for the Mini 6 Pro are so high. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro is an upgraded camera sensor. Several industry insiders believe DJI could introduce a larger sensor than the one found in the Mini 4 Pro. While nothing has been confirmed, a larger sensor would improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. This would allow creators to capture cleaner sunrise and sunset footage, reduce image noise, and produce more cinematic aerial videos without moving to a larger drone like the Air or Mavic series. Video capabilities are also expected to improve, although there are no official specifications yet. Some reports suggest DJI could refine its image processing, offering sharper 4K recording and potentially higher frame rate options for smoother slow-motion footage. Claims about 8K recording have circulated online, but there is currently no reliable evidence supporting that feature, so it should be treated as speculation rather than an expected upgrade. Photography enthusiasts are also hoping for improvements in raw image processing and HDR performance. DJI has gradually improved computational photography across recent models, and the Mini 6 Pro could continue that trend by producing more detailed still images with better highlight and shadow recovery. If these improvements arrive, editing flexibility for photographers would become even better. Another area receiving plenty of attention is obstacle sensing. DJI has steadily expanded omnidirectional obstacle avoidance across its premium drones, and many expect the Mini 6 Pro to feature an even more refined sensing system. Better obstacle detection could make intelligent flight modes safer while helping beginners avoid collisions during complex maneuvers. Combined with DJI's advanced pilot assistance system, smoother automated flights could become one of the drone's strongest selling points. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly important in DJI's ecosystem. Rumors suggest the Mini 6 Pro may receive smarter subject tracking with improved recognition of people, vehicles, cyclists, and wildlife. Active Track has already become one of DJI's most popular features, but more accurate tracking in crowded environments could make this drone especially attractive for solo content, creators who frequently film themselves without assistance. Battery. Life is another area where users always ask for improvements. Although no official battery capacity has been revealed, many analysts believe DJI will try to extend flight times through better power management rather than dramatically increasing battery size. Even a modest increase of several additional minutes can make a meaningful difference during travel shoots or commercial work, allowing pilots to capture more footage before landing. The transmission system could also receive an upgrade. DJI has consistently improved video transmission technology over multiple generations, delivering stronger signal stability and higher quality live video feeds. The Mini 6 Pro may benefit from the company's latest transmission platform, improving reliability in areas with greater wireless interference while maintaining low latency for smoother flying. One topic that continues to generate discussion is drone regulations. Some online rumors claim the Mini 6 Pro could remain below the important 250-gram weight threshold while adding several premium upgrades. Whether DJI can achieve that balance remains unknown. Adding larger sensors, more advanced obstacle sensors, or larger batteries typically increases weight, making engineering compromises inevitable. Until DJI officially introduces the product, nobody can accurately confirm the final weight. Another exciting possibility involves improved wind resistance. Lightweight drones have always faced challenges in stronger winds, particularly when filming along coastlines or in mountainous regions. Even small improvements in stabilization algorithms and motor efficiency could help the Mini 6 Pro produce smoother footage while maintaining stable hovering in more difficult conditions. Creators who use drones professionally are also hoping for faster startup times, quicker GPS acquisition, and improved flight reliability. These may not sound like headline features, but reducing the time required to prepare for takeoff can significantly improve the overall flying experience, especially when capturing rapidly changing lighting conditions during sunrise or sunset. Many industry observers also expect DJI to continue expanding intelligent shooting modes, automated cinematic flight paths, improved waypoint functionality, enhanced hyperlapse options, and more flexible panorama modes would allow creators to produce professional-looking footage with less manual effort. DJI has invested heavily in software intelligence, making these improvements entirely realistic based on previous product generations. There has also been speculation regarding controller compatibility. DJI may continue supporting the latest RC controllers with integrated displays while maintaining compatibility with smartphone-connected controllers depending on the final package. However, DJI has not confirmed how the Mini 6 Pro will be sold or which controller options will be available. Some enthusiasts have suggested that the Mini 6 Pro could introduce additional safety features such as improved return-to-home accuracy, better landing precision, and enhanced obstacle detection during automatic return flights. These kinds of refinements may not receive as much attention as camera upgrades, but they often provide greater confidence for both beginners and experienced pilots. Of course, pricing remains one of the biggest unanswered questions. DJI typically positions the Mini series below the Air lineup while offering premium capabilities. If the Mini 6 Pro delivers meaningful camera improvements, smarter AI features, and longer flight times without a dramatic price increase, it could become one of the most competitive compact drones on the market. It's important to separate credible information from internet hype. Some videos and social media posts confidently claim features like 8K recording, 1-inch sensors, or revolutionary battery life. At the time of this video, DJI has not officially confirmed those specifications. The most realistic expectations are gradual but meaningful improvements in camera performance, flight intelligence, obstacle avoidance, software capabilities, and overall user experience. Following DJI's established development pattern, what rumored feature are you hoping becomes reality? Is it a larger camera sensor, longer flight time, smarter AI tracking, or something completely different? Share your thoughts in the comments because I'd love to know which upgrade matters most to you. If you enjoyed this video and want authentic updates on the latest drones, cameras, smartphones, and upcoming technology, make sure to subscribe to TapTech and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.